Yes. Good morning, children. Now we are going to start factorization by using the identities. Till the last class, we have learned how to factorize the quadratic polynomials and cubical polynomials by using splitting of middle term and also by using the factors theorem. Now we are going to learn that how to factorize the given polynomials by using the identities. Some of the identities already you have learnt in 7th and also 8th, and here some more identities will be there. That all the identities I am giving you. You have to go through it and you have to learn, and then with the help of these only we are able to factorize the given polynomials. Okay. Now, first one, a plus b whole square is equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second, a minus b whole square is equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. Next, a square minus b square or a minus b into a plus b is equal a square minus b square. Along with this only, some more are there. A plus b plus c whole square is equal a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Then it is all the squares. Now we are coming for the cubes. A plus b whole cube is equal a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now a minus b whole cube is equal a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. These are the cubes, and one more concern to these cubes only. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. If a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And third one more problem to you, one more formula, that is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. And one more here. Then if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. These are the identities which will be help us to factorize the problems from this exercise. So in the textbook, a very few problems he gave, but will be practiced from another our reference book, that is RD. Okay, just you have to go through it again. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third, a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Next, a plus b plus c is equal, whole square is equal a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Fifth one, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Seventh, a cube plus b cube is equal a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Eighth one, a cube minus b cube is equal a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Ninth one, a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. And also the last one, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. These are the 10 important problems, and some more formulae we can extract from the given formulae. Okay? Yes, we are going to do some more problems which are depend upon this formulae. That is from the exercise 2.5. And one more, a small one that already you learned it, that is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. This already you learned in the 7th only. Just again with the revision purpose he gave you this, please. Okay, you have to go through all these formulae. Please, you have to note down in your notebook, and also you have to learn it perfectly. You have to learn. Yes. Now we are going to factorize, or we are going to find the product. When he is giving the product, we are able to factorize. When he gave the factors, we have to find the product by using these identities. So here in the exercise 2.5 is asking us to use the suitable identities to find the following products. So here he gave that two factors and asking us to find the product by using the suitable identity, not by the actual multiplication. Yes, x plus a, first one, x plus 4 into x plus 10. It is in what form? This already gave you as the 11th formula to you. A plus x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Now see here, x means x only. Here a is equal to, you can take the 4, b is equal to 10. Now write that identity compulsory. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus a into b. Put in a box to note down that, to recognize easily, is equal to x square plus a plus b 4 plus 10 x plus 4 into 10 is equal to x square plus 14x plus 40. This is the product. Here we are used only the identity to find the product, not by the actual calculation. Like this, we are able to do many of the problems. For example, now x minus 5 into x plus 6. Here x is equal to x only, and where that a is equal to minus 5, b is equal to 6. Now write the identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Now x square plus a plus b minus 5 plus 6 x plus a into b minus 5 into 6 is equal to x square plus x minus 13. This is the way to find out the product by using the identity. Okay? Like this, a number of problems we can do it. Now, for example, you can see here, now 3x plus 5 into 3x minus 5y. 3x minus 15 you can take. 3x plus 5 into 3x minus 15. So it is also in the form of x plus a into x minus, x plus b. So how you can imagine that the given problem is in the given formula? See that first terms are the same, 3x and 3x, only the second terms are the different. That is why we are using the identity which is given here. X in the place of x, what we have to take here? 3x, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 15. Now you can find the product. Place here x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Okay, now in the place of x, what we are supposed to write? 3x. So 3x whole square plus a plus b, that is 5 into minus 15, because it is the minus. Sorry. 3x square plus a plus b means 5 minus 15 x plus 5 into minus 15 is equal to, it is a 9x square minus 10x minus 75. This is the product of the given problem. Like this, he may give you the fractions also, but you can apply the same formula in the same manner. That is, for example, one more we can take here. Now 5x plus 3 by 4 into 5x plus 7 by 5. Here also the first terms are the same, 5x and 5x, whereas the second terms are the different. So here also x is equal, you can take as a 5x, a is equal, you can take the 3 by 4, and b is equal, you can take as a 7 by 5. Yes. Now, as for the problem, x plus a into x plus b is equal x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So here x square 5x whole square plus a plus b bracket 3 by 4 plus 7 by 5 x plus ab 3 by 4 into 7 by 5. Now is equal to, it is the how much? 25x square plus, take that LCM of this 20, 4 5s are 25, 3s are 15 plus 5 4s are 24, 7s are 28 x plus 3 7s are 21 by 20 is equal to 25 x square plus 43 by 20 x plus 21 by 20. This is the product of the given problem. So this also can be right without the fraction, that is you can take as a 1 by 20, you can take the common. So this will be get here 20 into 25, 500x square plus 43x plus 21. Okay. So this is the product of these two factors by using the formula. What is that formula? X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus a into b. These are all the problems, depends upon only that formula. In the next class we are going to learn some other formulae and the problems which are depends upon that. So you can go through it, and also you have to do the problems from exercise 2.5 homework please. First bit, second, third, fourth, fifth, as well as second bit 1, 2 and 3. You can try to do these problems. In case if you don't get that, I can explain you in the next class. Okay? Good. Good day. We'll see you tomorrow then.